Information about Afzelia africana. Afzelia africana, commonly known as African mahogany or pod mahogany, is a large tree species that is native to tropical Africa. It belongs to the family Fabaceae and can reach up to 40 meters in height. The wood of Afzelia africana is highly valued for its durability, hardness, and attractive reddish-brown color. It is commonly used for flooring, furniture, cabinetry, and decorative items. The tree's seeds are also used for food and traditional medicine. Afzelia africana is an important species in its native range, providing various ecological benefits such as shade, erosion control, and nutrient cycling. However, the species is threatened by habitat loss and overexploitation, particularly for its valuable wood. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and manage populations of this important species.